for that landing, please now return to your seats and make sure that Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of myself and all the crew, it gives me the greatest pleasure to welcome you to Gibraltar. Time here is now 7 minutes past 2 in the afternoon, and we do ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. You may now use your telephones for all voice and data services, but please do keep those large items safely stowed away until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. When you do go to leave it today, please take a moment to look around you and ensure you have your personal belongings with you, and do take care when you open the overhead lockers in case items have moved around during the flight and they could fall out and could cause injury. Smoking is still not permitted until you do reach a designated smoking area. And for any further questions, please do speak to a member of our ground team here.